Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of PN Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 12, algebraic expressions. Exercise 12.2, question number 1, simplify combining like terms. Here students, few sums are given where we have to combine the like terms and then we have to simplify it and find out the answers. Now let us solve question number 1 of exercise 12.2. In that first part of question number 1, the question here is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Here we have to first combine the like terms, means we have to arrange the like terms sidewise, means आपको like terms को आजू बाजू में रखना है. Here students, you now very well know what are like terms. So here 21b and 7b, these two are like terms. So here 21b plus 7b, आपको like terms को एक साथ arrange करके लिखना है. Then minus 20b. In this way you will arrange the like terms and then remaining minus 32 you will write as it is. So in this way I have arranged the like terms. 21b plus 7b minus 20b minus 32b. Students, whenever you are taking the term to any other place, you have to take it with the sign also. जब आप कोई टर्म को दूसरी जगह पर शिफ्ट करते हैं तो उसके आगे जो साइन है वो भी उसके साथ आपको शिफ्ट करनी है. लाइक मैंने 7b यहाँ पर लिखा है तो 7b के साथ प्लस की साइन भी यहाँ पर लिखी है. देन 20b I have written here, and in front of 20b minus sign is there, so I have written here. Now 21b plus 7b will be 28b, then minus 20b minus 32 we will write as it is. Then 28b minus 20b. Students, here the variable you will write as it is, only the numbers will change according to the arithmetic operation. यहाँ पे जो variable है वो same आएगा. Then 28b minus 20b will be 28 minus 20 will be 8 and b we will write as it is. Then minus 32. Here we have solved this. So the answer is 8b minus 32. By simplifying 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b, we got the answer as 8b minus 32. Now second part of question number 1, minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. Students, here also first we will arrange the like terms. We will write the like terms in sidewise. आप like terms को आसपास लिखेंगे. Now here students, you can see the power of z here is square. Here also power of z is square. Here no power is given, means it's 1. And here power of z is 3. So first we will write the numbers with the greatest power. जिसका power सबसे बड़ा है वो आपको सबसे पहले लिखना है. So here we will write 7z3. And there is no like terms for 7z3. So we will write here first. Then we will write this minus z square. Then the like term for z square will be this plus 13z square. Then we will write this minus 5z, then minus 15z. इस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स पहले आप सारे like terms अरेंज करेंगे. सबसे पहले जो वेरिएबल में सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट पावर है उसको आपको सबसे पहले लिखना है. देन आप अरेंज करेंगे जिनके लाइक टर्म्स हैं, जैसे माइनस जेड स्क्वायर प्लस 13z स्क्वायर आप आसपास लिखेंगे. देन माइनस 5z एंड माइनस 15z भी आप आसपास लिखेंगे. नाउ जिसके लाइक टर्म्स होंगे वही आप प्लस एंड माइनस कर सकते हैं. जो अनलाइक टर्म्स होंगे उसको आप प्लस माइनस नहीं कर सकते. सो 7z3 का कोई लाइक टर्म नहीं है तो उसको आप एज इट इज रखेंगे. देन नाउ यू विल सॉल्व दिस वन, माइनस जेड स्क्वायर प्लस 13z स्क्वायर. सो ये स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे z स्क्वायर में कोई भी नंबर न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर नहीं दिया है. सो एज आई एक्सप्लेन यू अर्लियर, in the previous video, if nothing is given we have to consider it as 1. So यहाँ पर जो numerical coefficient है वो 1 है. So -1 plus 13 will be plus minus. So the answer will be 12. -1 plus 13 will be 12 and z square आप as it is लिखेंगे. एंड यहाँ पर जो साइन आएगी वो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर की साइन आएगी. जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है वो है 13. सो हियर यू विल राइट प्लस 12z स्क्वायर. देन यू विल सॉल्व दिस लाइक टर्म्स. -5z minus 15z. -5 minus 15. Minus will be plus. So 5 plus 15 will be 20 and z you will write as it is, and you will write the sign of the greater number, that is minus here. Here the greater number is 15 and the sign before 15 is of minus. So the answer will be 7z cube plus 12z square minus 20z. Now third part of question number 1. P minus in the bracket P minus Q, bracket over minus Q minus in the bracket Q minus P. Students, here first of all you will remove these brackets. सबसे पहले आपको ये brackets remove करना है. So what you will do, first you will write P, then here minus sign is given. जब भी bracket के बाहर minus की sign होती है तो जो bracket के अंदर sign होती है वो opposite हो जाएगी. Means here in the place of minus you will write plus. So you will open the bracket and change all the sign. Here you will write P plus Q. जैसे ही आप ब्रैकेट्स ओपन करेंगे तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी साइन होगी उसकी ऑपोजिट साइन आपको लिखनी है. देन माइनस यू विल राइट एज इट इज, देन क्यू यू विल राइट एज इट इज, देन माइनस यू विल राइट एज इट इज. देन नाउ यू विल ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट अगेन. हियर ऑल्सो इन द प्लेस ऑफ माइनस यू विल राइट प्लस. सो क्यू प्लस पी. नाउ यू विल अरेंज द लाइक टर्म्स. पी minus P, then plus P, then plus Q, minus Q and minus Q. Now students, this minus P and this plus P we will cut, as minus plus will be minus. Here also plus Q and minus Q you will cut, as minus plus will be minus. So the remaining terms you will write P minus Q. So the answer so remained is P minus Q. Now fourth part of question number 1. 3a minus 2b minus ab minus in the bracket a minus b plus ab bracket close plus 3ab plus b minus a. Here also students, first you will remove the brackets. So first you will write this 3a as it is minus 2b minus AB. Here minus is given, so if we will open the bracket then all the sign will change. अब minus जो bracket के बाहर sign है वो minus की है, तो जब आप bracket open करोगे तो सारी sign opposite हो जाएगी. So A we will write as it is. Here in the place of minus we will write plus. B we will write as it is. In the place of plus we will write minus. Then AB, then plus 3AB plus B minus A. Now we will form the pairing of like terms. We will write the like terms in sideways. 3a minus a minus a, then minus 2b plus b plus b, then minus ab plus 3ab. Now students, 3a minus a will be, here nothing is given, so the numerical coefficient will be 1. Here also 1 is coefficient, so 3 minus 1 will be 2, 2 minus 1 will be 1. So here single a will remain, then minus 2 plus b. Here also nothing is given, means 1b is there, and here also 1b is there. Here minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1, and minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So we will not write anything here. as 0b you don't have to write. Then minus ab and minus ab plus 3ab. Now minus 1 and minus 1 will be minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3ab will be plus ab, as minus 2 plus 3 will be 1ab. So by simplifying it, we will get the answer as a plus ab. Students, fifth part of question number 1, you have to do it by yourself. Now sixth part of question number 1, 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus in the bracket 8y minus y square minus 4. Students, here first we will open the brackets. So first the bracket we will write as it is, 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Here we will write minus, and if we will open the bracket, then all the sign will be opposite. Now 8y we will write as it is, and in the place of minus we will write plus y square, then in the place of minus we will write plus then 4. जैसे ही आप ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो जो सारी साइंस होती है ब्रैकेट में वो ऑपोजिट आ जाएगी. नाउ वी विल अरेंज द लाइक टर्म्स. नाउ 3y स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर प्लस 5y माइनस 8y minus 4 plus 4. Now here 3y square plus y square means 3 plus 1 will be 4y square plus 5y minus 8y means plus 5 minus 8 will be minus 3y, as 8 is the greater digit and it has minus sign. So the answer will be minus 3y. Minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. So by simplifying it, we will get the answer as 4y square minus 3y. Students, with this we end our today's video, and we'll continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.